Most people plant crops alone, but nature never works alone. Can a plant really grow by itself, or does it need the right companion? This is called companion planting. And the right combinations multiply yield. Let's start with tomatoes, a sensitive plant. But when you add marigold, pests stay away. Roots are protected. And here's the interesting part. When paired with basil, even the flavor of tomatoes changes. Stronger, richer. Now look at corn. Tall but vulnerable. But when you add beans, they climb upward and fix nitrogen into the soil. So the corn gets fed. And if you add squash underneath, it covers the soil, prevents moisture loss, and suppresses weeds. This trio is called the Three Sisters, and it has worked for centuries. Onion and carrot, when planted together, pests lose their target because scents mix and balance is created. Cabbage with mint or dill nearby, insects stay away. Some plants fight, some simply support. Some flowers act like natural poles for climbing plants. Some provide shade, some enrich the soil, and some simply protect. In permaculture, the rule is simple. Never leave plants alone. Match them correctly, because nature is a system. And when you build that system, the soil starts working for you.